To fix an Xfinity router with blinking orange and green lights, it is essential to understand what these lights indicate. The blinking orange light typically signifies that the router is trying to establish a connection or is experiencing a problem with its connection, while the blinking green light usually indicates that the router is functioning correctly but may be experiencing some issues with the internet connection. First, restart your router by unplugging the power cord, waiting for 30 seconds, and plugging it back in. This simple step can often resolve connectivity issues and is a good starting point for troubleshooting. If the issue persists, check your coaxial cable connections to ensure they are secure and not damaged. Loose or damaged cables can cause connectivity problems, leading to the blinking lights. Make sure to inspect the cables for any signs of wear or damage and replace them if necessary. Next, verify that your account is active and that your bill is up to date. An inactive account or overdue bill can cause your internet service to be disrupted, resulting in the blinking lights. Contact Xfinity customer support to confirm your account status and make any necessary payments. Additionally, check for any outages in your area by visiting the Xfinity website or using their mobile app. If there is an outage, you will need to wait until the issue is resolved by the Xfinity team. If none of the above steps resolve the issue, it may be necessary to reset your router to its factory settings. This can be done by pressing and holding the reset button on the back of the router for 10 seconds. Keep in mind that this will erase all of your custom settings, so you will need to set up your router again. Finally, if you have tried all of the above steps and the issue persists, it is recommended to contact Xfinity customer support for further assistance. They can help to diagnose the problem and provide a solution, which may involve replacing your router or sending a technician to your location. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue with your Xfinity router blinking orange and green lights, and get your internet connection up and running smoothly. Remember to always check the physical connections and your account status before seeking further assistance, as these are often the simplest and most effective solutions.